Hello WordPress nerds. So in this video we are going to talk about warnings in WP-CLI command. So it displays warning without stopping execution. Before jumping into the code, let me show you something. So this is my WordPress local site and I'm gonna add command for this site, and I'm gonna add command into this custom plugin. So if you are new to this video, I would suggest to watch my previous videos in this WP-CLI playlist. Here I have created all the videos related to WP-CLI. So this video is going to depend on what I created in previous videos. So yeah, now let's jump into the code. So I'm gonna add command inside this file. This file is in my custom plugin. So this is my WordPress setup plugin. My plugin includes custom CLI commands.php. Now I'm gonna get rid of sidebar and let me make a little bit smaller. And yeah, so far I have created this custom command, and I will add new custom subcommand for displaying warning. So I'm gonna call it public function WP warning. These two arguments I have already created a video regarding that. So now what function we need to use to display warning? So it is a simple. In previous video we talked about debug. So similarly we can add warning. And now let's execute this command. So I'm gonna open my terminal. Here I am on the root of my WordPress site, and WP, then our custom command BWP, and then our custom sub command BWP warning. So if I execute this, we see that it is displaying as a warning, and when it is warning, it doesn't stops the execution. So if I do anything after this, it still execute. Let's try to execute again. So as you can see, after warning, it still executes the command. Now let's try to use this at real world example. So for that, I'm gonna use this command get items. And if you don't know about this, I would suggest to go to my WP-CLI playlist, and in that there is a video, separate video for all of this. So what this subcommand does, let me show you. So let's execute WP BWP get items, and after get items we can pass a post type, and based on what we pass, that post type displays over here. So we have a book post type as well over here, so it is displaying result from this book post type, as you can see. Now what we are going to do is, let's say if we pass any random post type which doesn't exist, so in that case we will display a warning, and if that post type does not exist, we will display post, which is WordPress default post type. So now let's try to implement that. Sorry. So post type we are getting in this variable, so we will check if post type doesn't exist. So I'm gonna check not exist this post type, and we will display warning. Post type doesn't exists, displaying default posts, and then we will assign default post type over here, and now let's try to execute. First let's execute the right post type, so no warning. Now let's try to execute random post type, so it is displaying post type doesn't exist, displaying the default post. So it is now displaying the default post. Let's confirm this. If we go to post, as you can see, post 531 WP-CLI Mahabharata by API. Yeah, it is displaying private post as well. More on that, you can display this something like this. This post type doesn't exist, displaying default posts. So this is the use of WP-CLI warning. This is the video, guys. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video, guys.